You have good cone control too for the low end response. I like that, man. Nice and clean.
I'm surprised it is as good as it is.
Yeah. Do you really like the lows into the teens like that? Are you happy with that?
Yeah. I wasn't really expecting it to play like that, being that it's not tuned to play in the dirt.
Yeah. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. All right. Nice. So, what's your name, man? What's in here?
Nelson. I got 6 ZDX 18s on 2 MD 12Ks. It's in a 6-quarter.
Nice. You know your tunings at all?
I want to say it's close to a 1-to-1. I'm pretty sure that's 22-ish back there.
Okay.
This is in the 40s somewhere. I didn't do all the math. I just built it.
All right.
So I'd be lying if I told you I knew exactly.
Did it slide in? You built it in.
Built it in.
All right. Looks good. And what is your like? Have you done any kind of power tests, or what's your electrical and all?
It's got Brandex 390 on a 96 amp hour lithium C-Max, and it's on at 2 MD 12Ks right now. Okay. It should be on 3, but okay. I smoked an amp waiting on it to get back.
Yep. Okay.
So I had to wire it. Usually it's at half ohm. Right now it's at 133.
Okay. So are you happy with it when you had full power?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right. On the meter, it did 58.8 at 26.
Woo! Oh, that's a low frequency. All right. Awesome, man. It looks really good. You did a good job building it. You got good cone area. I like those braces. Are those actually custom fabbed?
Yeah, I built those.
Wow. I like it. Have you done a little bit added on here to lower the...
Yeah, it's just a 4 sheets of 3/4 so far. Yep. I'm just kind of playing with it. I haven't even put it on the meter yet to see if it's changed anything.
Nice. You plan to do a little round over eventually once you file it in?
Probably.
Nice. I appreciate the demo, man.
Hey, no problem.
Nelson from Team Deadbeats. All right. Awesome. Is there a way I can see the back? Appreciate it.
Oh, my birthday. I might do that on my birthday. Oh, my birthday. Yeah, I'll be involved.
Nice. So when you had this third amp in and it was wired down and more power, did you notice a drastic change when you took away one of them?
Yeah. Being that it was wired at half, I had to wire it up to 133.
Yeah.
It went 28K on 3 12Ks.
Ooh, wow. You have those wired at 0.33? 133. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. This looks good, man.
All I do is working. Like they know me. It's about to work by the wrong tree. in my circle, 'cause that's what making money. All I do is work and get high, so excuse me for my.
Oh man, that's low. Ooh. You have good cone control too for the low end response. I like that, man. Nice and clean.
I'm surprised it is as good as it is.
Yeah. Do you really like the lows into the teens like that? Are you happy with that?
Yeah. I wasn't really expecting it to play like that, being that it's not tuned to play in the dirt.
Yeah.
So I can play higher stuff.
Okay.
Some higher stuff.
All right. Oh yeah. It does have good bandwidth though, yeah. It plays down into the mid-teens and still getting into the mid-50s as
Really
well.
happy with it.
Nice job. Did a good job.
Making money makes the most sense. Get your revenue. All I do is work and get high, so excuse me for my.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.